a word of inspiration, a faith-building word. But without any further ado, why don't you just come along with me now into the sanctuary where the service is already in progress.
In the dark of the midnight, where I often hid my face, where the storm hollows above me, there is no hiding place. There's the clash of the thunder. Precious Lord, hear my cry, keep me safe till the storm passes by. In the dark of the midnight, where I often hid my face, where the storm hollows above me, there is no hiding place. There's a clash of the thunder. Precious Lord, hear my cry, keep me safe till the storm passes by. Oh, till the storm passes over and the thunder sounds no more, till the clouds roll forever from the skies. Hold me fast, let me stand in the hollow of your hands. Lord, keep me safe till the storm passes by. Many times Satan whispers, there is no need to try, for there is no end to your sorrows, no hope by and by. For I know thou art with me, and tomorrow I shall rise where the sun never darkens the sky. Oh, till the storm passes over and the thunder sounds no more, till the clouds roll forever from the skies. Just hold me fast, let me stand in the hollow of your hands. Keep me safe till the storm passes by. Oh, when the long night has ended and the storm comes no more, let me stay in your presence on the bright, peaceful shore, in the land where the tempest never come. I will dwell with him there till the storm passes by. Oh, till the storm it passes over and the thunder Lord, keep me safe, keep me safe, keep me safe, Lord, 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 till the storm passes by. I said till the storm it passes over. I said the thunder it would be afraid to sound no more. I said the clouds it rolls forever from the sky.